Andrew Abbas filed a complaint about two police officers in 2017, Staff Sergeant Tim Buckle and Constable Joe Smythe. It all began 2 years earlier with a tweet from Abbas and his subsequent 6-day detention here at a hospital in Corner Brook. Abbas was never charged with a crime, nor was he certified as suffering from any psychiatric condition. After Abbas's arrest, Buckle wrote Smythe to say Abbas was detained under the Mental Health Act. Smythe called Abbas a loser. Messages revealed 2 years later during the Don Dunphy inquiry. Last year, the RNC Public Complaints Commission's chief adjudicator found that the language was not appropriate, but, quote, I cannot conclude that the comments were significant enough to cause a credible risk to the reputation of the RNC. The Complaints Commission sought a judicial review by the Supreme Court, but just before Christmas, Justice David Conway dismissed it, saying the adjudicator's decision is reasonable.
I take the line with the Complaints Commission that he didn't fully appreciate the context of the situation and the way it was being uttered.
The decision by the Supreme Court Justice closes the book on a long, arduous complaints process between Abbas and Smythe. In October, the Supreme Court also dismissed an appeal by Abbas in relation to his complaint against Tim Buckle. The chief adjudicator in that case found Abbas didn't file his complaint in time.
As an exercise in standing on principle, it's been a frustratingly long process. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody. I think that the system should be corrected at this point.
Last year, the Liberals introduced legislation to establish a new process relating to police misconduct to replace the Complaints Commission with an independent commission, though that legislation isn't enacted yet. Ariana Kelland, CBC News, St. John's.